Interviewing an artist offers a unique opportunity to delve into the creative mind behind a masterpiece. Hi folks, this is Julian Petrolina, and for today, let us allow ourselves to meet these two promising artists and explore their inspiration, technique, and personal journey in the world of art. And to begin with, here's Miss Maria Zulea Hamero with our first guest artist, Mr. Edmil Fritz Madredondo.
A 19-year-old artist with a touch of digital talent, Fritz is an upcoming second-year BS Development Communication student of CMU. He is currently the head videographer and photographer of Aggie Bulletin.
Without further ado, please help me welcome Mr. Edmil Fritz Madredondo. Fritz?
Hi everyone! Maayong gabi sa tanan. I am here in Zamboanga karon kay mag-represent sa CMU sa ka video editing contest.
When did you become a photographer and a videographer?
Nag-start gid akong journey being an artist way back in year 2021. No, katong pandemic era, di ba? Dito gid nag-start nga learn ko about photography. Influence po na siya actually sa TikTok. Inspired bitaw ko. So mo to siya nag-start ko og photography, tas after na later on nag-start na sa video sa akong self. Murag dito mas ni nag-open ang door sa ako nga industry.
For your next question, who inspired you to become an artist?
Sa ako ang photography nga journey, inspired gid sa ako ang si Kuya Zaan Mark sa Cinematic Studio. If nakita na ko yung mga post online about portrait photography and na-inspired ko when it comes to videography, ga-record sa akong kaugalingon sa akong everyday life lang. And
Could you tell us what your best work for each is?
my greatest artwork sa photography, katong latest post na ako nga Morena Girl siya, no? Kay na-amaze lang kay ko sa result, sa iyahang sa beauty po as well sa model. Murag unique po siya ba sa mga mata sa mga photographer and sa ubang tao nga maka-appreciate sa ing ato nga beauty. Videography, I think ako pinaka-greatest nga artwork so far is champion mi sa Sinulog Festival sa Don Carlos. Horror film nga akong gihimo nga ito nga horror, gishoot gito na mo siya entirely sa sa cemetery gyud. Ang resulta gid ato is nice gid kayo siya.
For your fourth question, Fritz, what is your art's purpose?
Ang purpose sa akong art is to send messages. Kanang maghatag og message sa mga tao na in many ways through videography, photography. No, if familiar mo sa journalism, there are many ways nga mahatag nimo ang imong gusto nga message nga gusto nimo ipaabot sa imong mga audience. Very important as well.
And for your last question, Fritz, do you have any other jobs than being an artist?
Other jobs, a lot. Actually, right now, sa among college publication, I am the head sa photography ug sa videography. Currently, I am working also in a radio station sa Valencia City as a DJ. Ga-layout sad ko, ga-graphics sad ko, ga-voice over.
Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence, Fritz. And we would all like to give you our biggest support in your competition there in Zamboanga City. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much, Ms. Hamero. And from showcasing talent in photography and videography, let us now continue our voyage in the field of pen and paper artistry. Presenting you Ms. Kate Casares with our second guest artist, Mr. Mark Ray Sabalsta.
A 19-year-old ink artist and a painter, Mark is an upcoming second-year Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering student at Central Mindanao University. He is currently up for commission, whether it's ink art, paintings, and sketches.
Once again, let's all meet our guest artist for today, Mr. Mark Ray Sabasa. Hi Mark, kamusta man ka? Further ado, let's ask him question about him being an artist. So Mark, when did you start an artist?
I started making arts when I was in my high school. Actually, nag-start rin ko since itong gamay pa ko pero start ko making artworks na matawag akong art when I was in high school.
Kinsa man yung mga inspiration sa inyong mga artworks?
For me, my inspirations are my friends. We feel na like my artworks are okay and yeah.
So sila yun ang naghatag sa imong confidence nga magpadayon sa imong pagka-artist. Sa man ang kanang matawag ni mga pinaka-greatest ni mga artwork?
My greatest artwork is my first ink art actually ink art na Nezuko
Ano man siya, during college na siya or high school life?
during high school. Actually, I gave it to someone a crush nito na time. Then because of like some feelings, ganato siya anime na Nezuko.
Unsa man para sa imo ha, unsay purpose sa art niyo?
Right now, actually, so ang purpose is may financial needs kay namo kaya magkakupra. Right now, kano ko mga commissions like copy painting,
Karon nga time, na ba kay other jobs kana other than being an artist, na ba kay lain ginabuhat?
Other than being an artist is wala yun kay artworks kay artworks na lang ako yung napabiling isa. Kay good, more ba? Actually, gusto na ako maka-age kung wala ginagawa like mag-focus sa studies,
Thank you so much, Mark, sa paghatag sa among time na ma-interview ka, and good luck sa imong journey as an artist.
Thank you.
And that's it. Indeed, art can transform somebody and change people's lives.
Through their artistic ability, they provide colors even in the darkest corners of the universe.
Art is truly a powerful expression of human creativity, emotion, perspective, and imagination in countless ways.